Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm gonna start going through things that my binders specifically, and my goal is to go through my whole scrapbook area and get rid of things that I don't think I'll use, or basically things I don't think I'll use. Like this, I save from birthday card because I thought I could cut that out and use it. So now I have to think about, will I do that? I think I could totally do that. This is animals. This book is actually amusement, animals, arts, crafts, birthdays, and parties. So that's what I have in here. Now this one's the one that my daughter gave me, and maybe I can use that. I do still have some baby pictures to do. I'm thinking I'm gonna take it out of here, maybe put it in a pocket. That might be take a blessed room, and I'll get a chance to look at it to see if it's something I really think I'm gonna use. Okay, they are kind of shiny. I don't like shiny as much. You know what? I think I'm gonna not keep it. Okay. I do have friends that they said they would take some stuff, so I'm gonna check with them. But if they do not take stuff, then I'll have a giveaway of anything that's left. Okay, so that's one I'm gonna get rid of. This is from Creative Memories, and it's a teapot. And you know I was talking fine, now my voice is going hoarse. Okay, I'm gonna save that, but do I want to put it somewhere else? It would go great for a tea party for a little girl, but I think I'm gonna move that because this doesn't seem like its place. Okay, and this here is what? Oh, it's a cat and dog thing, so that would go here. I am going to save these because sometimes I like to cut out tickets. This is actually something I bought from a Victorian book, and it's cats. And you know what? I think, I don't know, do I want to keep them or not? I do have cats, but I might have, scrapbooked them all. I don't know. I'm going to set it aside, make the decision later. Okay, this is from a baptism, and I'm sure I've had at least one more baptism to figure out. And this actually goes with that other one that I'm moving. This is birthday rub-ons, so I'll save those. Okay, and this is birthday stuff. Let me check those out. These are Creative Memories. I know it's kind of tedious, but I figured the only way I'm going to get rid of them is if I look at everything. Okay, these are balloons. These little stickers. I think I have a lot of birthday stuff, and I think I have a lot of these already in my things. I do like the balloons and the... Now this is a clown, party hat, and ice cream. I see myself more using that than the other things. Maybe these, the balloons and these stickers. not so much these. So I think I'm going to get rid of those, and I think I'll save that. Okay, so I'm getting rid of these. Was it purple? Yeah, I don't really like those. Okay. I think these were from Angela too, and I've already got a bunch of them. So, but I will save these because those are easy to spread around on a card or whatever. And I'm sticking them in there right now, but I'll probably end up putting them into the pockets. Okay, animals. You can use those. Here's some little cats. See, I think I would maybe rather use those. Sometimes I might like these. Oh, and I'm saving the clown and the hat and the ice cream. Okay. You know what? I probably don't want these either. Okay. I gotta be ruthless. Okay. Love the carnival. I am gonna save this because I could totally see that cut out and on a card or on a page. Here's some more stickers. See, like, I like these better than unicorns just because unicorns were so shiny. I don't know what it is. And I probably bought those two lately. Okay. Now this, I don't really care for that. I could use the horses. Here's food tickets. Here's a cat. Let's see. Follow your heart. So it could be used on the Valentine. Another cat. So I would use those. Love the cowboy boot and horses. Okay, so I'm keeping those. Love these animals, so I'm keeping those. And this one. Love these and their handmade embellishments. Love these. Popcorn, definitely save those. Here's some more like circus and amusement park. I'll save those. I got an extra page here. Oh, look, I have an empty page. I bet you something goes in there. But I have some stuff over here, but I don't think these go in there. No. Okay. Okay, some more cats, rabbits. Actually, I have the word cat there. A beta cat. I love the paw print. So I think I would use those. This actually looks like one of the cats I have, so perfect. Okay, love these cats. Love this here. I really want to use that. We have a cat in the box. Actually, I did a layout. I could have used that. It looks just like the cat that we had in the box that my daughter got for Christmas. Okay, we have rabbits, other animals. I don't know when I would use a llama. But you never know. I guess I'll keep those. Okay. Here's some more little animals. I could probably use any of those. Little owls. I'm sure I could use those sometime. Actually, I have an owl page to do. Like this. This reminds me of that cartoon alligator. Okay. more cats. See, there's more cats I ordered from a Victorian magazine. And we have beach things. More animals. Saving all those. Love these. Okay. What are these? I thought I was doing so good. I really need to get rid of some stuff. Okay, I'm saving all those. Saving these. That. I'll save these. And these. Guess I can do that so more centered. Maybe we'd use these. Okay. Use some of those lightly. Okay. Sewing, my mom sewed all the time, so I've collected a bunch of that. Here's some tea party stuff. So, and more sewing things. Another sewing thing. Here's more birthday. Okay. I would use any of those. Well, I started out real good. Love these. They're so fun. Just gonna move that. Love these stickers too. Okay, and I definitely use, I think I'm gonna get rid of this because I got a bunch. So I think I'm gonna take this out. Okay, now I have an empty page too. Okay. This is from a birthday party, so I'm going to stick that in when I do the layout. Okay, these I think I would use. I don't know if I'd use a gnome. Would I put it on a page? I don't think I would probably use a gnome. Okay, but I like those. These are from my daughter. Do I love those? Sometimes I like to have, you know, something bulky on the page. I just don't know if I love it. I think I'm taking them out. I need to be ruthless. These look like they go with that one set. So I'm taking those out and putting them with that. But I will use that definitely. And I love these little bags. They're super cute. Okay, I'll definitely save those. Even though I could probably sort through part of them. These look like that same collection, so I'm just taking those out and putting them with the other. I probably won't use this. Oh, I love the balloon animals. I'll keep those. Okay, see, here's some baby first birthday. Keep that stuff. I mean, I'll feel good if I can get rid of a box full of stuff when I'm done. Okay, those I like. Probably can get rid of those, but I'll have to peel them off, so I'm gonna skip that. I love these. This. Can't wait to use that. Okay. Those are good. Those are good. Love these little things. You know what? I probably will not use the bobby pin ones. Can I get them out of here? Come on out of there. Okay. Oh, there's some more of those clowns. There's some more of those clowns. And this is... check these out. I don't think I'll save these swirly things. Or these. Okay. Okay, I'll save the clowns. Save these. Save these. Okay, what do we got here? Mexican party. I have this one here is what? The balloons. I don't think I'll save that. What is this? Oh, this is like New Year's Eve party. Okay. That was from a swap. Okay. And I forget what's in this. Some kind of birthday thing. I'm going to open it up because if there is a title in there, I will definitely want it. Oh, does it just open like this? Maybe not. I can cut, but better with my fussy cut scissors. Okay. You know, I'm going to therapy for my hand. They said it's in my arm. And it's really funny because I can fussy cut, like without any issue, but opening up a package is a little tougher for some reason. It's not as fun, that's for sure. Okay. Have to see what's in this. Oh, you know what? They're journaling cards, and so I'm not going to keep them. Here's some die cuts. And you know what? Chances of me using them are pretty slim. And these are some cards. Maybe I'll use those. I think that would be fun. Okay. So, and I think I'm going to get rid of the cats too. Okay. So I'm going to see what my friends want, and then I'm going to make a big pack of whatever they don't want, just see if anybody else wants it. But it'll be a while because I'm going to do it at the very end. Okay. So, I've gone through, what is this one? It's birthdays, parties, animals, amusement, arts, crafts. Yeah. So, we did a little bit of damage. Let's see. Pile like that. Pretty excited about it. Okay. So, that's going to be it for today. I'll go through another one tomorrow. And we'll see what kind of pile I can make. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and thank you for hanging out with me while I try to get rid of some things. Bye-bye.